Hey there, my name is Tommy, and in this video I'm going to talk about the top 5 best AI stocks to buy.
Thanks to you, I lost my job.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming an essential part of everyday life, from providing assistance while driving and helping to diagnose medical conditions to allowing robots to assist with manual labor. It's an integral part of our online experience, as well as creative tools like ChatGPT 3, DALL-E, Midjourney, and thousands of apps for work and entertainment. One of the most famous companies in this field is OpenAI, co-founded by Elon Musk. It's no wonder interest in artificial intelligence continues to increase, and it's become such a popular investment theme as well. Don't be surprised that these are some of the biggest companies, because AI is such a big part of big tech, and all the market leaders have invested in smaller AI companies or developed their own solutions. So let's look at some of the top stocks to invest in this area before robots replace video hosts as well. Microsoft. Elon Musk's OpenAI is a private company, so you can't buy their shares on the stock market. But they have an interesting partnership with Microsoft, who invested $1 billion in OpenAI in 2019. Their famous text generator engine GPT-3 is licensed exclusively to Microsoft. So if you buy Microsoft shares, you will have indirect exposure to some of the newest AI tools on the market. Microsoft themselves do a bunch of AI stuff. A lot of it is connected to their cloud Azure service, running AI inside and outside the cloud. So even without an internet connection, things like chatbots, content moderators, Bing Visual Service, and so on. You can see these and other AI stocks in our Gainy app and invest in them in one click. The link is in the description. Amazon. Amazon was an early adopter of artificial intelligence and machine learning with the AI bot Alexa, the voice-powered virtual assistant with an obvious leftist bias. Alexa finally let people buy things all the time with just their voice, even in their sleep, so it's kind of dystopian actually. They also invested in OpenAI, but the amount was not released. AI is heavily used in Amazon Web Services for all kinds of applications and workflows. And AI is also used to optimize the processes in the company itself. So Amazon is a very modern, forward-looking company, but if they had things their own way, they would probably just buy things on our behalf without asking our opinion. IBM. Next up we have IBM. One of the oldest tech companies is one of the key players in artificial intelligence. They do a lot of research and development in this field and provide solutions for Amazon Web Services, for Microsoft Azure, and a lot of others. They own the weather company, which is supposed to be the most accurate source of weather information. They made Deep Blue, a supercomputer that beat Garry Kasparov in a chess match in 1997. And they also made Watson, a computer system capable of answering questions posed in natural language, first introduced in 2019. It's used in a bunch of different industries such as healthcare, music discovery, and e-commerce. Next up we have Alphabet. Google's holding company Alphabet is investing billions into AI, both as part of Google itself and into many other industries like healthcare. They have products like MLKit, TensorFlow, and others for a wide range of users like developers, researchers, and enterprises. They also use a lot of AI in the products we use on a daily basis, like Google Photos, Calendar, and Gmail, and also Google itself and its cloud services. So Alphabet/Google is a top AI stock, and we'll surely see lots of new advancements from them in this field. TSMC. Finally, something different, a company that's also key in this industry from a slightly different perspective. The Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company is the world's largest chip maker that is central in the production of computer chips for AI applications and companies and high-performance computing. Their products are used in mobile devices, car electronics, and Internet of Things devices. They've made chips for Apple, Qualcomm, Huawei, Nvidia, and other companies. So TSMC is likely to stay as a key business in AI, no matter what the others do with their research, because they'll be the ones that let it happen with their hardware. So here you go. These are some of the best AI stocks to look at. It shouldn't really be a surprise that they're just some of the biggest companies in tech, but these are the companies that are the forefront of AI. If you want to invest in this industry, check out our Artificial Intelligence TTF collection on Gainy, which has all of these companies and a bunch of others. It's an exciting area to explore, and wish you all the best, and see you soon.